Good morning, everybody. I am Teacher Lance, and I am going to be your teacher for today and for the rest of the semester. Before we start, I would like to congratulate everybody for leveling up in your learning journey. So this is your first time in your primary level, and I would like to welcome you in our mathematics class for today. So I hope that you enjoy the entire semester. Our topic for today will be numbers 0 to 10. So, to begin our topic, we are going to sing a song first.
The Singing Walrus.
Counting from 1 to 10.
One, two, three.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
7,
7,
8,
8,
9, and 10.
9, and 10.
Do you know how to count?
Yes, I know how to count.
Do you know
Do you know
how to count?
how to count? Yes, I know. Yes, I know how to count. How to count.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
7,
7,
8,
8,
9, and 10.
9, and 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, and 10. 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you count from 10 to 1?
I can count from 10 to 1.
Can you count
Can you count
from 10 to 1?
from 10 to 1?
I can count
I can count
from 10 to 1.
from 10 to 1.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, did you enjoy that song? So now, we are going to play a game. This game is called Teddy Numbers. We are just going to feed a teddy bear with a number of cupcakes that he wants to eat. Let's try. So here is Teddy, and he wants to eat cupcakes. But he needs someone to feed him. Do you want to help him? Let's go. Let's help him. He wants one cake. Let's feed him one cake. 1. Let's check.
Yummy!
Oh, he said it's yummy. Now, let's give him 5 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, he now has 5 cakes.
Yummy!
Yummy. He said yummy. Now, he wants 10 cakes. So let's feed him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Is it correct? Let's see.
Yummy!
Wow, we got the correct answer. Teddy likes it. Now he wants 9 cakes. Let's give him 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. He got 9 cakes.
Yummy.
Yummy! Next one, 5 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's check it.
Yummy.
Yummy! And then he wants another 9 cakes. Wow! Maybe Teddy likes cupcakes that much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's check it.
Yummy.
Wow, he said it's yummy. So here, we learned how to count from 0 to 10. We counted the cupcake that Teddy wants, and then we fed him. So we and him are both happy. So now, let's go to our main class. Did you enjoy our game? I hope you did, because now we are going to enjoy studying. As I said earlier, our topic is numbers 0 to 10. So here, we are going to learn how to count, how to pair sets of objects, how to compare objects, and decide if they are equal, greater than, or smaller than the other set of objects. That's why we sang the song Counting 1 to 10, played steady numbers. As you can see in the picture, we have here 5 students or 5 girls holding 5 balloons. Each of them is holding 1 balloon. Each girl has 1 balloon. So, 1 girl matches to 1 balloon. Therefore, the number of girls and the number of balloons are equal. And here, the girls who was holding balloons are now holding umbrellas. But something's missing. One of the girls is not holding an umbrella. Look, 1 girl has no umbrella. So, 1 girl does not match to 1 umbrella. The number of girls and the number of umbrellas are unequal. There are more girls than umbrellas. There are fewer umbrellas than girls. When we say equal, the things or the set of things has the same number. When we say unequal, the things or the set of things does not have the same number. We match one object or person to one other person or object. For example, cups and saucers, bottles and lids, or spoons and forks. So as you can see, the examples that we got here are things that are related to each other or things that we use together, like the cups and saucers, like the spoons and forks. We use them together when we eat. So now, we are going to play another game. It is called comparing numbers. What we are going to do is to make a sound using comparing numbers. When we get the correct answer, we help build to create the sound by putting houses and buildings in it. But if we did not get the correct answer, we will break the house or building in it. So are you ready? Let's try it now. Six and 7. Is it equal, less than, or greater than? I think we are. Okay. 6 is less than 7. We got the correct answer. That's why our house is built in this place. Now, we have 9 and 1. Is it equal, less than, or greater than? I think it's greater than. Wow, that's the correct answer. Now, let me ask you, what do you think about this? 2 and 1. Is it equal, less than, or greater than? Really? Wow, you got the correct answer. The correct answer is greater than. Have another one. 1 and 2. What is this? Is it equal, less than, or greater than? Very good. Correct. It's less than. What about 3 and 3? They are the same. And if the things are the same, or if set objects or numbers are the same, it means they are equal. Correct. Very good. And we have here 7 and 6. Are they equal, less than, or greater than? What do you think is correct? Very good. The correct answer is greater than. Next one. Click the correct comparison sign. 4 and 7. Is it equal, less than, or greater than? Very good. The correct answer is less than, because 4 is less than 7. And last one, we have the numbers 2 and 5. What do you think is the correct answer? Is it equal, less than, or greater than? Wow, you're so amazing, because the correct answer is less than. 2 is less than 5. Did you enjoy our game? Okay. Because you did, we are going to our next lesson, which is matching pictures, deciding whether these are equal or unequal. For example, match the pictures. Circle equal or unequal. What we are going to do is to count the first object first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 bowls. And then let's count the second object, which are spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 spoons. And because they are both 5, that means that these objects are equal. So, we are going to circle the word equal. Just simple as this. Are you ready? So let's try the second one. Here, we have set of glass and set of straws. Let's count the glasses first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 glasses. Now, let's count the straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 straws. Therefore, they are not the same. And if they are not the same, we are going to encircle the word unequal. So let's circle it. Get your book and open it to page 9 and circle it with me. Circle the word unequal. Are you finished? Let's go to the next example. We have here cups and saucers. Let's count the cups first. We have 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 cups. And now, let's count the saucers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 saucers. 3 cups and 5 saucers. And they are not the same. Therefore, the correct answer is Dun, 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 dun. Unequal. So let's circle the word unequal in your book. It's very easy, right? If it is the same, just circle the word equal. If it's not the same, just circle the word unequal. Next one, we have here sets of spoons and forks. Let's count the spoons first and see if they are equal or unequal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 spoons. And how many forks do we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 forks. We have 7 spoons and 6 forks. Therefore, they are not the same. And if it's not the same, what we are going to circle, is it equal or unequal? Correct. The correct answer is unequal. So circle it on your book. Wow, we have another activity. Here, we are going to match the pictures and circle greater or smaller. A while ago, we studied about equal and unequal. If two sets of objects has the same number, those are equal. If two sets of objects doesn't have the same number, that means they are unequal. And here, what we are going to do is to decide if the first set of objects is greater or smaller than the second set of objects. So let's try. Here we have chairs and tables. Let's count the chairs first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 chairs. And how many tables? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 tables. We have 6 chairs and 5 tables. So let's decide if it's greater or smaller. If it is bigger, we are going to circle greater. And if it is smaller than the other side, we are going to circle smaller. Did you understand it? Great! Since you did, we are going to go to the next example. Here we have erasers and pencils. So let's count. How many erasers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 erasers. And now let's count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 pencils. So, is the first set of objects greater or smaller than the second set of objects? What do you think? Very good. The correct answer is smaller. 6 erasers are smaller or less than 8 pencils. Very good. You did great. So now let's go to the next example. We have here roses and vases. Let's count the roses first. How many roses do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 roses. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 vases. So, what is the answer here? Are the roses greater or smaller than the vases? What do you think? Very good. The correct answer is smaller because the roses are smaller or fewer than the vases because the roses are only 5 and the vases are 8. Therefore, 5 is smaller than 8. So, here is our last example. We have here dolls and books. How many dolls do we have? let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 dolls. Now, let's count the books. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 books. So let's decide. Are the dolls greater or smaller than the books? Wow, you really did understand it. Okay, the answer is greater because 10 dolls is greater than 7 books. You did well today. So that is the end of the class. Today, we studied counting numbers from 0 to 10. We also paired numbers and we also decide if the objects or set of objects are equal or unequal with each other. Also, we learned how to use the words greater, smaller, and equal in order to compare the numbers. So I hope that you learned something from me today, and I hope that you enjoyed the class. Goodbye and see you again.